Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to make a hard reset of Samsung Galaxy M55. If you are using Samsung Galaxy M55 and you want to make a hard reset to your device, so let's see how can I do this. First of all, you have to make sure that you have a backup of your data because it will remove everything from your phone. It might be photos, videos, apps, accounts and much more. So you just have to make a backup and then you can easily do a hard reset. First of all, you have to connect to your device, to any PC or any Samsung device with a charger cable, and after that you can easily do that, or you can easily try it on your lock screen or home screen which you want. Just press and hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time until your screen goes black, and then wait and then shift your volume down to volume up and wait for Samsung logo. Let's do this. Press volume down and power button at the same time until your screen goes fully black. Just wait for it, it will take a while, and after that you just have to shift your volume down to volume up and wait for Samsung logo. Just like this. Now release all the buttons, and after that you will get Samsung BIOS just like this, and here you just have to make a simple setup. You have to keep in mind that your touch won't work here. You just need to use three buttons to volume up, volume down to move down, volume up to move up, and power button to select. So let's do this. Here's the wipe data and factory reset option. Just move the cursor to it and then press the power button to enter the function, and here the factory data reset. Just select it, then press the power button to select it, and here's the reboot system. Now just press the power button on it, and in this way you can easily make a hard reset to your device. It will erase everything from your phone and you can easily get a fresh new startup to your device. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.